Testing, testing. So I'm making this video on about how uh, protesting in Baltimore is happening. Protests in Florida, California, Illinois, New York, all these major cities. Um, Even without full media coverage, protests, all the full, all the major cities are still protesting because we all know what's going on, even without full media coverage. More people are realizing like media coverage uh like a hypnosis style of what they want you to like talk about. So I think I think all the protesting and all the rioting, that's just like the that's the that's a good example of feelings of anger and rage at the government and the Illuminati. They lack care and support for the people that they're trying to manage. Um, since there's a lack of support and a lack of care from the Illuminati, people are angry and raging. But the thing about what the Buddhists say is that if you are angry, you're only holding on to a hot piece of coal and you're only hurting yourself. You're not really hurting others. So the rioters got angry and they started looting and stealing, and then the residents are spending the days after that cleaning up. It's like it shows the anger and rage. Uh, it shows like how the hot holding on to the anger kind of hurt the city itself, Baltimore, and that sucks. And it's just part of life. But it should be a good lesson, a good learning example of how not to behave during angry demands of revolutionistic justice for all, and including the people and the uh, people trying to manage more people, deemed the Illuminati. And it's pretty scary because instead of like protesting and going in the streets, whether you're standing for the cops or standing away from the cops, I guess, like not for the cops. Either way, either side you're on, this like Illuminati and group of bloodlines, they're causing like a lot of chaos because they got the cops in that kind of stance, that role and position, and they got the people in that kind of role and position. So this lack of care and support from the Illuminati bloodline, it's kind of like, you gotta like think past that, think past the trouble that the Illuminati has done from the lack of care and compassion. Try to think about, try to think beyond that. Try to think beyond the lack of compare. Try to think beyond the lack of compassion and care and support that the Illuminati has done, and think about ways. Just realizing that they're trying to manage a large group of people. Um, the Illuminati. Just know that since they're not doing it properly, they're only tricking themselves. They're they haven't been the full responsible, let's say, parents that they want to be. So if there's if the Illuminati is considered like parents or guardians or some kind of caretakers of a larger group of people, and they haven't done their job if they haven't done their job properly and they can't manage all the people, which they're trying to do, but it's not really working and they're just messing things up even more, I think it does call for some kind of like justice for all. So I don't know. I think I'm done right